What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great. And well, let's take a look at this absolute beauty right here. A huge spike. In this video we'll talk about it. It's Scrt. The project is called Scrt and the token is SCRT, just Secret without the E's. Wanted to cover it today for obvious reasons. Huge spike in price, not this big. This only happened on Binance. In reality, we found resistance at this level between 1.1 and 1.15, which you can see right here. Like 1.13 was our top, but it looks nice, right? It's Binance sometimes has these spikes. So they do, I believe they do really happen on the Binance exchange, but only on the Binance exchange. So and CoinMarketCap is a more reliable source. So if I analyze it, I have to do it like this. But quite interesting things have been happening around Scrt. It's altogether it's a very, like, if you don't know the project, it's a blockchain. It's a layer 1 blockchain focused on privacy solutions, right? Focused on privacy and anonymity. And what we saw today, and what's very interesting, is that the price movements have been pretty weird. I would almost call it manipulated, but it could also just be a huge whale or institution buying in, which, yeah, I mean, privacy solutions are getting more and more important for crypto. So that's bullish, fundamentally seen. And don't worry, we will get into the price shortly. But apart from that, on the other hand, fundamentally seen, it's quite risky to invest in it. Because what you could see is that, like if you look at regulations really try to, or it seems like they're trying to get rid of those really privacy-centered tokens. So therefore, Scrt has more risk, even though the biggest part of its secrecy is also around its decentralized applications, which well, it's a great project, but there are just risks you have to know about. So if we then take a look at the price, what you can see is that after finding our top at 1.1 and 1.13, we dropped down quite massively. We haven't even broken above $1 even. So personally, and oh yeah, also what I wanted to say, I mean, you can see that this, especially this initial move was like in 10 minutes, the volume went up by more than 10 million. So a huge buy order that just was. And then it increased even more. I mean, it looks like institutions or whales are buying. Now that could be bullish for the long term, that they're just buying up SCRT tokens. Or it could be bearish if they're trying to sell it. So be careful for manipulation. I will take all of that, like the possibility of manipulation, I will take all of that into account in this analysis. So what you can see is that we have found support after dropping down from $1. Found support at 83 cents. What I think is going to happen, oh, excuse me, that's not a line. I think we're going to find support there. I think we might even get up to 95 cents again. I think we'll kind of consolidate here. But then what's going to happen is we're either going to stay on top of this for 3 days. If we can do that, we can also get up to $1 and 1.05 again, because that shows that we still have momentum, still have strength. So then I expect another smaller rally. I don't think we'll break through 1.05. But that is what could happen, but it all depends on that 83 cents level, because if you, like what I said, we need to stay on top of this for 3 days. Then I expect us to get up, but as I said, we will find support there. But if we find support there for a day and then drop down below 83 cents, what's going to happen is we're going to take a break retest and drop down to this 72 cents level and consolidate there probably. So yeah, Scrt right now very bullish. Moves are quite weird, but not necessarily bearish, but just weird, something to take into account. And what's going to happen to me really depends on 83 cents. We could become bullish again. Could also be that we crash down even further. So that's my take on Scrt this afternoon. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.